Dear students, welcome back to Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting. In the last class, we have discussed the concept of marginal relief. Marginal relief is the provision given to assessee whose income is just above the ceiling, which attracts for surcharge. Instead of paying surcharge, they have the provision of paying that excess of income along with the tax liability. So if that is beneficial, then that concept is said to be marginal relief. In the last class, in the example we said, suppose an assessee is having 51 lakhs income, which attracts for surcharge at 10%, assuming that his age is less than 60 years. So, as we calculated, the relief is 66,820. Now, let us see the limitation of marginal relief or the situation under which the marginal relief does not work. Dear friends, I would say that the concept of marginal relief will be exercising, will work out only if the income is very closer to the ceiling. If the income exceeds far away from that, say for example, the income is 53 lakhs, then this concept of marginal relief may not work. Let us explain this with solving. So the income is 53 lakhs and the tax liability is up to 2.5 lakh income, nil tax. 2 lakh 5 to 5 lakh income, 5%, that is 12,500. 5 lakh to 10 lakh income, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 20%, that is 1 lakh rupees. Then above 10 lakhs, here in this case 43 lakhs income. For 43 lakhs, 30% is equal to 12 lakh 90,000. Now, the tax liability here without surcharge is 14 lakhs 2,500. Now add surcharge of 10% of this value, that is 1 lakh 40,250. It is 15 lakhs 42,750 plus cess of 4%. Cess of 4% of this value, 15 lakhs 42,750 is equal to 61,710. Therefore, the tax liability is equal to 16 lakh 4,450 tax liability. Here the tax liability work out based on or adopting surcharge. Let us see what will be the impact if we adopt marginal relief option, which means adding that excess income along with the tax liability. Here assuming that the income is 50 lakhs and the excess income 3 lakh will be added as such along with the tax liability. See here, up to 2.5 lakhs income, nil tax. 2.5 to 5 lakh income, 5%, that is 12,500. Now 5 lakh to 10 lakh income, 20%, that is equal to 1 lakh. Now above 10 lakh, in this case we take 50 lakhs, so that it will be 40 lakhs multiplied by 30% equals 12 lakh. Now you add that excess income. Rupees 3 lakh. So what will be the tax liability here? It will be 16 lakh 12,500 plus surcharge. Here it is nil. Surcharge will be exempted, but add 4% cess. 4% of this value equals 64,500. Now the tax liability is, or the tax to be paid is 16 lakhs 77,000. See dear friends, see when we adopted this option, that value is 16 lakhs 77,000, but here it is just 16 lakhs 4,460. So I would say that the option of marginal relief exercise is not working here for this particular assessee whose income is 53. Instead of applying marginal relief, he can go for surcharge and he can enjoy a lesser tax liability. So the concept is the marginal relief will be beneficial to the assessee whose income is closer to the ceiling. For example, very closer to 50 lakhs, maybe 51 lakhs or 51 and a half lakh, like that. And similarly for 1 crore or just above 1 crore, like that. If it is go far beyond that, as we said 53 lakhs, this concept will not work or this benefit will not be worked. Thank you very much for watching. Please like it, subscribe it, share it if it is useful. Thank you very much.